craziest thing just happened to the Fresh. So at the last house I was washing, the homeowner's name is Pat. And I didn't know if Pat is a man or a woman. We've never met. And so I was thinking the whole time I'm washing, I wonder if Pat is a man or a woman. And I'm reminded of that Saturday Night Live skit, Here's Pat. And out of the corner of my eye, I see someone approaching me. It kind of startled me. And I guess just in my haste, I said, "Hello, sir," thinking it was the homeowner. And it was the neighbor. And it wasn't a sir, it was a ma'am. Cute gray bobbed haircut, cardigan, turtleneck, cross necklace hanging over. And I felt like an idiot. And she said, in kind of a manly voice, ironically, "Could you come over after you wash this house and give me a quote on washing my house?" I said, "Sure." I felt like such a fool for calling her sir. So afterwards, I go knock on the door, and she comes to the door, but then I realize she's a man. And her name is Joe. All of this is a true story. And so I'm thinking, Joe could be a woman's name, but you are obviously a man, but you're dressed like a woman. And I still have never met the homeowner, Pat. Were they playing a joke on me? By the way, Jazzy is a dude. People keep saying, "Oh man, she's looking good. She's pretty." No. It's not a she, it's a he. DJ Jazzy Jeff and the Fresh Rinse. You guys need to get this right. I have no idea this homeowner's gender either. We've never met. So I can't believe I misgendered two people. How do I do that? But maybe I didn't. I don't know. But I know this, Jazzy is a dude.